Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. The June 2025 release of Adobe Photoshop version 26.8 brings several exciting new features and enhancements focusing on AI-powered tools, improved workflows, and expanded file format support. So let's get started. Number 1 is the dynamic text. This is a major update for typography. Dynamic text allows text to automatically resize and reflow within a bounding box as you adjust it. This is a game changer for designers creating templates, posters, or social media graphics, ensuring consistent design across various formats without constant manual adjustment. The next new feature is enhanced cloud processing for select subject and remove background. Photoshop's AI-powered selection tool are now even more precise. By enabling cloud processing in your preference, you'll get more accurate selections, especially around complex edges like hair or fur, making compositing and cutouts cleaner and faster. The next new feature is improved distractions removal in Camera Raw. Building on the existing Remove tool, Camera Raw now includes enhanced features for removing distractions like unwanted people or reflections from your photos. This uses Adobe's generative AI to automatically detect and seamlessly erase these elements, often without consuming your generative credits. The next new feature is adjust colors with on-canvas control and improve hue and saturation. Color grading becomes more easy with on-canvas color control that lets you directly manipulate hue, saturation, and lightness for prominent colors in your image. The hue saturation panel also features larger sliders and swatches for more precise adjustments. The June 2025 release of Photoshop brings an exciting new reflection removal feature primarily integrated into Adobe Camera Raw. This AI-powered tool is designed to significantly simplify the challenging task of eliminating unwanted reflections from photos, particularly those taken through glass or other reflective surface. The core of this feature is an advanced AI model that has been trained to differentiate between the actual scene behind a reflective surface and the reflection itself. This allows it to intelligently remove reflections without distorting the underlying image. While you might use Photoshop for final edits, the reflection removal tool is found within the Adobe Camera Raw. This means it's best applied to RAW files, though recent updates indicate it is also expanded to support JPEGs. In Camera Raw, you might need to enable technology preview in the setting to access this and the other new AI feature. Within Adobe Camera Raw, navigate to the Remove panel, often represented by a bandage or spot removal icon. Activate reflections, so you look for reflections checkbox or dedicated reflection removal section, and there is a slider you can see. Another new feature is AVIF and JPEG Excel file format support. Photoshop 2025 now supports opening, editing, and saving image in the modern AVIF and JPEG Excel, which is also called JXL format. These formats offer superior compression with minimal quality loss, native HDR compatibility, and a wider range of color depths, making them ideal for web graphics and high-quality artwork. Now guys, this is all about the new latest update of Photoshop 2025. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.